today on Chef Dawg, we are going to try these Annie's cinnamon rolls. Who doesn't like a good cinnamon roll? I'll tell you one thing, I make homemade cinnamon rolls and they are like the best. For something quick and easy that doesn't take all day, we're gonna give these a try. Right now, they are $3 off. They're normally $10.99, so if you want some fast, easy cinnamon rolls, well, let's see if they taste good. Let's get started. So you wanna preheat your oven to 350. Grease your cookie sheet. They take 18 to 20 minutes to bake. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 cans in here. How do we open this? And then peel off the white, right? Whoa! I was not expecting that, oh my gosh. Okay, they look like they might be good. 5, so you get 15 in the box. Normally $10.99, right now $3 off. Put those in for 18. And we'll see you back soon. I set the timer for 18, but I took them out like, there's maybe 30 seconds left because I was like, man, those look done. The icing is, of course, what makes it the best, right? Okay, well, let's give this a try. It's a good cinnamon roll, okay? Of course, they're not as good as the real ones because I make really good ones, thanks to my friend Lindy. But you know, my kids will eat them. Chef Dawg loves these. I would buy a package of cinnamon rolls from Walmart, put it on a plate, heat it up in the microwave. These are better than those. Much better than that way. So, are they worth it? Yeah. So please consider subscribing, share, and like, comment, and all that good stuff. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.